Finally, yesterday I got officially iOS 15 update on iPhone 8 Plus, and this is 2.67 GB. So let's update and install. iOS 15 comes with some interesting features, for example, focus mode, live text to photo, Facetime with Android and Windows, offline Siri, and etc. more. Finally, I am successfully done my software update. So now my phone running iOS 15. So let's talk about the iOS 15 latest feature on iPhone 8 Plus. So at first open the Safari. Safari, the tab bar can be moved to the bottom for your phone screen to make it easy to research on hand. If you want that tab bar back on the top, so go to setting and select Safari and select single tap. Next feature is FaceTime with Android and Windows. Open FaceTime and you can see new create link button. Tap it, you can easily share your friend and family member with Android and Windows user. Next feature is live text photo, but this option not available for iPhone 8 Plus. Next another great feature is focus mode. So go to setting and tap on focus. You can get don't disturb, personal, sleep and work mode. You can easily customize focus mode what you want. So after iOS 15 update, my phone performance is still pretty well. All the app opening and closing speed very fast. Okay, this is all about iPhone 8 Plus iOS 15 update. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you on some other video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.